In this video, I'll show you how to use Applixure to identify which end-user devices have a full or nearly full system disk. Now, this problem can lead to a variety of issues with performance, installations, and functionality. In the worst case, when the hard drive gets full, the computer stops working. Now, the first thing for IT to do to remedy this issue is to quickly identify which computers have got a full or nearly full hard drive. So, let's start the clock to see if we can find them in 10 seconds or less. So I go straight from my Applixure dashboard and I click on devices. I click on my warnings and alerts, and I've got an alert here for to do devices with disk full, show devices as a list, stop the clock. Quick, wasn't it? Now I've got a full list of all of the devices with disk full. In this case, we've just got 2 of them. But these devices are classed as full disk with less than 5,000 megabytes of free disk space available on the device. So that's classed as full. So if we want to take a quick look at one, we can take a look. But before we look, let's say we had a bigger list, we'd be able to sort the list. We'd be able to search through it. We'd also be able to export the list if we wanted to. But let's click on one of these devices now. And as we scroll down, we can actually see disk capacity here. And there's just 2.1 gigabytes free. So 2,000 odd megabytes available. So yeah, that's classed as a full disk. We do have another warning related to disk capacity, which is disk near full, and that's where it's gone below 5% availability of disk space left. So that's another warning that we have related to disk capacity. So there you have it. So if you'd like to find out how many computers in your environment might be having disk capacity issues or experiencing any other issues for that matter, you can try Applixure for free. You'll install Applixure in minutes and gain full visibility to your end user environment as all of the data starts coming and flowing in over the coming days. So go to applixure.com now and give it a try.